What's that on the back of your leg?
What?
Mom, this is already done. Is it? Yeah, here. Just some more.
It's like
Is it done? Uncle Jack.
Yeah. Hello, Ray.
Do you like better? Like the white chocolate?
You got
Can
big.
this share? Mom, can this share?
I told you, and you're like, no, no, white chocolate.
Mom, can this share?
Oh, honey.
Yeah.
Give me one bird.
Sorry. Push over. Oh, yeah. I just put it this way.
Oh, there was fish.
Mom, do you guys have everything packed up?
Only the frozen one already. The cooler is stay there.
Yung isda. Meron kang isda.
Oo, nandiyan. At saka yung mga frozen mga...
Saan mo ilalagay ngayon?
Sa cooler din dyan. Ayun ang cooler na. Nung cooler yung pananay.
O, bye, babalik naman tayo.
Just kidding. Just kidding. That's how you sound like when you're a freaking drunk. You're so silly. Blocking her string. Wait, need some more. I'm cutting.
Look too big. Look too big.
Small these strawberries. When they're small like that, you don't need to cut them in half. Okay, let's go. Good done. Unless you want more. No, I don't fight. I can
Patulong ka, kargan mo na yung mga cooler mo.
Oh, alis na sila. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Poka? Huh? You know, like go? Okay, you guys go that side. I'll go bring that. Huh? Ang kuha ng anak mo.
No need to carry your backpack yan. Come on.
Stay wrapped in the plastic bag, mo. So, alis na sila. Huh? No?
Okay. I thought I saw smoke. Sorry.
No.
Hey, boy.
Nagbayad? Bakit? Hindi.
Last time daw, hindi daw sabi.
Walang 50? 50 pound? Sumobra?
Hindi, ewan ko sa'yo. Wala ko na kung tatanungin mo.
Uwi na sila oh. Ngayon kami po ay babalik na dito na naman sa Bigaylan. At kami kakayod na naman. Balik sa dating buhay na magsasaka. Oh, nakakita ko ganda. Nakakita ng ballpen naman ako. Alam mo naman ako yung magaling sa squat. Sayang din, hindi yung pulutan. Nag-obra yan, nahulog ng ano. May pangalan pa oh. Siguro mayaman yung mayari. Oh. Jordan. Lagay mo sa bag mo para hindi ka nagharap-harap ng ballpen. Okay. Ay, balik na naman. Ang hirap ng maging mahirap.